What's going on, everybody? My name is Zach Hartley, and in this video we are going to compare 4 different stock brokerages and 2 different crypto platforms to try and understand, is there any price differences between the platforms and which one is going to give us the best execution. Here's everything you need to know. Let's go. Alright everybody, so to start us off here, let's just talk about the platforms that we are going to be evaluating in this video. On the left hand side here, we have Interactive Brokers, that is this window right here. On the right hand side, we have Questrade, and in behind it, we have WealthSimple. We also have CIBC Investors Edge up and running, and we are going to test out the price for securities on all 4 of these different platforms to see if there's any differences. Now, the first thing that I really want to compare is Interactive Brokers and Questrade. These are 2 very similar platforms going after the swing traders and the day traders and the large investors, and it's really kind of, both of them are in-depth platforms that you can use for a lot of different things, and I would say that they are definitely direct competitors. And when you compare the prices here, I have them both set to Apple stock, and we are looking at the US stock, not the Canadian CDR. And as you can see here, the bid price for Questrade, I'll just move this up here. The bid price for Questrade is $140.28. On Interactive Brokers right now, it was 1 cent below, but it looks like it is actually moving almost perfectly in line. Same thing with the ask side here, 140.16, 140.16. Like, these are almost identical. So at first glance here, I would say that there is very little difference between Questrade and Interactive Brokers with regards to at least the bid and the ask price that you can get in or out of these trades at. If you look at these, I mean, they are tracking each other almost identically. And I wouldn't say that one is just clearly in front of the other either. I wouldn't say that one of them has a delay. It looks like they're kind of going back and forth with regards to the different prices here. So Questrade and Interactive Brokers look very simple. Now, when we compare this to WealthSimple here, unfortunately it's not going to give us a live feed like this, so I have to keep refreshing the page here. Currently it was 141.30 the last time I refreshed. We will refresh that right now, and we will bring up Questrade as well, and as you can see, it is coming in at 140.10 cents, and we are at 140.04 on the ask for Interactive Brokers and Questrade here. Let's just try this one more time. 140.05, 140.02. Interesting. Okay, 140.03. So like, you're within a couple of cents for sure with WealthSimple here compared to Interactive Brokers and Questrade. 140.01. Yeah, you're off by maybe 2 cents, and honestly maybe that's just the delay of my internet connection and the price variability in between refreshing the screen. So like, not bad executions here from WealthSimple compared to Interactive Brokers and Questrade. I would say that these 2 are identical, but the fact that you can't get live updates on WealthSimple makes this a little bit difficult. Now, when we go to CIBC here, it's actually the same thing. I've got this window here just holding off my account number so that I don't get hacked here right away. But 141.30, so this is kind of the same as where WealthSimple started. I'm going to refresh it right now. We'll pull up Questrade, and 139.70. Oh, what's going on here? Do I have to relog in? I might have to relog in here. Why can't we get... Okay, buy Apple shares, 139.64. Okay, so that is very close. Oh, we've got a refresh button down here, so I'll use that. 139.65. Let's see where we come in at. 139.67. I mean, again, we're very close here with regards to stocks on CIBC and WealthSimple compared to these more in-depth trading platforms. Let's give this another refresh here. 139.60. I mean, yeah, we're pretty close. 139.48. Yeah. Oh, I mean, 139. Yeah, like, we're tracking it. The CIBC is definitely tracking it. Again, the fact that we don't get live data from this is a little bit frustrating, but we're at least within a couple of cents as well. So CIBC and WealthSimple are not going to be good for day trading, which is why maybe these 2 are very similar here. But Questrade and Interactive Brokers, the 2 day trading platforms, are pretty much identical, and I would say that CIBC and WealthSimple are maybe off by 1 or 2 cents, but it is very close. Now, the next thing that I want to do here is compare things with regards to crypto. So we're going to compare WealthSimple and Newton. Newton is the platform that I use to store most of my crypto on, and then WealthSimple is probably the most popular platform here in Canada. So as of right now, you can buy a Bitcoin. You can buy $1 worth of Bitcoin, and the price of that Bitcoin is $25,512. Let's just refresh this. $25,518. And if I go to Newton here, I'm going to refresh this page just so that we know everything is fresh. Hopefully I don't have to log in. Good. Trade, I want to buy $1 worth of Bitcoin. It is at $25,441. Okay, so it's actually a $57 difference here between WealthSimple and Newton, which is very, very interesting. We'll refresh this again. We'll refresh Newton again. WealthSimple, 25,636, and Newton is coming in at 25,433. 433 compared to 636. That is a $200 difference on just purchasing Bitcoin that you can get. Wow, that is 396 and 39. Yeah, like that is a pretty significant difference actually. So if you're going to buy crypto, I would recommend buying it on Newton as opposed to WealthSimple because you'll have better executions. If you're planning to day trade, I think questrade or Interactive Brokers will give you very, very similar executions. And if you are looking for a bank, CIBC Investor's Edge is given pretty good rates that are very, very similar to the day trading platforms. And if you're looking for an app, WealthSimple seems to be doing the job. However, questrade and Interactive Brokers both have mobile applications, so you can probably get better executions and the mobile preferences here. The only difference is that WealthSimple also has access to crypto, so you can manage both your stock portfolio and your crypto portfolio all in one. And if you have a small account, WealthSimple also has commission-free trading, which is really, really nice, especially if you're trading with small amounts. So if you're interested in any of these platforms, I will link them down below. Thank you for going through this experiment with me. I sincerely appreciate it. If you're interested in learning how to day trade or swing trade, definitely check out the links in the description down below. I've got a bunch of free courses on there, as well as a paid day trading for beginners course. Both of them are linked down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Good luck trading, good luck investing, and we'll talk to you soon.